Wednesday, and you're probably like, what the heck, lady? Why are you home? No. We have a little Miss Sick Emma on our hands today. And you probably can't tell by the way she's acting right now, but she's sitting here with Mommy. Mommy's working from home because little Miss woke up this morning, was running a temperature, and had a fever. Hey, don't color on the chairs.
Yes.
Color on your coloring book.
Big.
Yeah. Who is this?
Big.
Who is it? Ernie. You're right. Ernie. Who's this? Here, let's change the page. Who's that?
Bear.
Bird. Yes. Those are her two favorite Sesame characters besides Elmo.
Bear.
Ernie and Bert. So anyways, so Emma woke up this morning. She was running a fever and then she started throwing up. And so Daddy called me to come home because we just had to obviously stay home with her today. She can't go to daycare if she's sick. So it's really cruddy because this being her first winter in daycare, she's been getting sick pretty easy. Which the sucky part of that is you build immunity, but sometimes building immunity means getting sick. So it's been quite the adventure the last couple months with that. But I'm hoping it's like a 24-hour bug and she'll be better tomorrow to go back to daycare. So the icing on top of the cake is that we are in the middle of our first winter storm. I'll show you guys outside.
Hi.
Yeah. So it just stopped snowing. It's been snowing all morning. We're supposed to get like 3 to 7 inches of snow today. Sorry, my camera. And so I had to come home and it took me over an hour to get home because there was just like crazy accidents and messy roads, and now my husband has to go to work and it's gonna take him forever to get to work, so it could not have happened on a worse day, but whatever, it is what it is. So I figured I'd do kind of like a mini little, not necessarily a day in the life, but just kind of bits and clips of our day since I'm home, and that's kind of what's going on. Mommy can't color, I'm trying to work. Yeah, what color is that? Emma, what color is this? Can you say green?
Red.
Green.
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a beautiful artist.
Yeah.
And yes, we have a white table, and yes, she colors on it, but that is what Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is for. It's the savior of my life. She just started figuring out that you can color on walls, and we've had a couple incidents with that, but whatever, she likes coloring. Hey, on the book. Color on your book, not on the chair. No, up here. Up here, on the paper.
Paper.
Paper, good job. You got messy hair. Mommy's got to put your hair back. Bert. Where's Elmo?
Mama.
Good job. You're so smart.
No.
So it's snowing again. I don't know if you can see it through my camera. Yep, see? Yuck. I think we're supposed to get 3 to 7. Well, we already probably have almost close to 3. So total of 7 inches. Isn't this cute? This is Emma's little window clings. These were actually at my mom's house, and we brought them over here for Emma to play with. And we're just having some lunch, and Mommy's working, and Emma's eating. And we're listening to Christmas music, right? Yeah? She's been super hungry, so I'm hoping that's a good sign. She wants to just eat, and eat, so I'm going to have some fruit and a little bit of chicken. Hey, Messy. How about you use your fork? Fork. There you go.
About.
Is the snow pretty? No, thank you. That's yours. You dancing to Christmas music? Finish up your lunch, please. Mandarin oranges and corn? You love music, huh? You got the best dance moves.
Snowman.
Snowman? Yep, there's snowmans on the Christmas trees.
Mommy.
Yeah, there's our Christmas tree, right?
Mommy, Mama.
Finish your lunch, please. Say, okay, Mommy.
Okay.
Y'all see the snow? Seriously? I know it's pretty, and I live in Minnesota, but this is just not fun. I always laugh when I see other vloggers who live like in the South and they're like, oh, it's so hot here. It's 80 degrees and it's December and well, I wish I had snow. And I'm like, really? Can we just change places for the day? Because yes, it's beautiful. And I love snow around Christmas time. But every other time, it just makes my life miserable. Literally. It took me forever to get home today. It's gonna take my husband forever to get home. It just messes up your commute like crazy. Oh, that's funny, I didn't even notice I was in there. Hi. So anyways, I know it's a part of it, but winter's officially here and I'm just hoping it doesn't last as long as it did last year. We were getting snow in like May. Not even kidding, so at least I'm home. It's 12 o'clock. I just put Emma down for a nap. And now I'm gonna work and get some other stuff done. The funny thing about differences between moms and dads, when my husband stays home and Emma's sick, I come home and it's like the house is a complete nightmare. Like everything is strewn all about, dirty dishes everywhere, dirty clothes, you name it. It's all everywhere. But when I'm home, funny that laundry gets done and things get put away and dishes get done, and it's just the difference between moms and dads. So I'm gonna put in a load of laundry of Emma's clothes. I just cleaned up in the kitchen a little bit and then I'm gonna go and work. So it's just funny how that works out. Tell me if I'm alone in my principle there, but I think other moms can definitely agree. Does anybody else have a little one that does this in their sleep? It's so sweet. My husband says she's like me because I do that in my sleep where I'm like, ah, ah. But she is so cute when she does it. So I thought I would just ask if anybody else has little ones that do that because it's my favorite. I know she's not really a baby anymore, but I still have her baby monitor on. And I just like listening to her sleep. It's so cute. So I was going to show you guys where we ended up putting our canvas print. This is like in our master bedroom between our two front windows. So it's so cute. So you guys still have a chance to enter to win one of these for yourself. You can get a metal or acrylic. This is an acrylic one. And it's from Create My Walls. I'll put the link to the video below. You can see me in the reflection below if you want to enter it. So it's so cute and I'm so excited to finally have a beautiful picture of Emma when she was little in our bedroom. Hi, Bubba. That wasn't a very long nap. What? Your sheep? Is your sheep off? Yeah, it turned off because you were sleeping. You ready to get up?
No.
No? You want to come snuggle Mama? It's 1:30 and Emma just woke up, so I'm going to let her sit here and wake up for a little bit. She always has to bring her 3 friends with her everywhere she goes. So we'll let her wake up and then we'll get her dressed and she'll probably have a snack while Mama works. Right? You dancing? have some snacks. She's having some Earth's Best Crunchin' Crackers. They're like, they got Sesame Street characters on them. See, there's Elmo. So she loves those. And then she's gonna watch some Tree Food Tom while Mommy keeps working for the day. Right?
4.
Hey.
Count some.
Can you turn it down? You're such a good girl, playing so nice while Mommy works.
Yummy.
Yummy. Here, let's turn it down.
6.
You're so silly. She's made a mess of my pillows.
Mix. 7.
It's still snowing outside. Yucky, yucky, yuck. See? Oh, you probably can't see through my... Yuck.
8.
It's still snowing.
Great.
At least we're home. Right, baby?
9.
Right, boo boys? I think you're feeling better, huh?
Play again.
You're silly. Mommy's little helper. She's sitting right next to me while I'm working. You're so silly. It's a sharing show.